So remember a couple of weeks ago when I said the elections don't matter whatsoever for the price of Bitcoin? Yeah. So now we're seeing that. Okay, there was a lot of people that said, "Hey, the elections matter if Biden gets in. Oh my gosh, that's horrible for Bitcoin. If Trump gets in, it's really good for Bitcoin." Guys, it doesn't matter. And I have been very consistent over the last several years, or Heidi's been consistent on that several years since I've started. I've been consistent saying, hey, listen, it doesn't matter who gets elected, who's puppet. It doesn't matter. They're going to print so much currency out of thin air. It's going to be ridiculous. And let me just go over what Powell said a couple of days ago. The current economic downturn is the most severe in our lifetime. It will take a while to get back to these levels of economic activity and employment that prevailed at the beginning of this year. That means they're going to print. That is their way of saying to the world, we are going to print a lot. All right. So with that said, you have tons of different companies buying Bitcoin right now. And it's going to ramp up like crazy. Just last week, Grayscale bought 16,000 Bitcoin. Guys, there's only so much Bitcoin out there for so many different corporations and billionaires. So just relax. Don't worry about who gets elected. It doesn't matter. Nothing's going to change. Well, actually, it's probably going to get a lot worse. And so what you need to do is you need to survive in this environment. And the way to do this is literally buying Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you guys have done that, if you guys have looked at our trade recommendations, just yesterday I put out a trade recommendation and a trade alert, and I said I am buying Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you'll find out what I had sold to go ahead and do that. So I am probably the most bullish I've ever been on Bitcoin. So if you want to learn more about our trade alerts and other things, we do trade alerts within 5 minutes of us trading. The link will be down for the CT Club below. And yeah. So with that said, keep buying. This is like, I'm so bullish, even at 15.6, 15.7 right now. I'll be bullish for a very long time, I think. Yeah, because I think once we hit 20,000, I mean, there's no selling pressure up there. And just yesterday we saw CNBC front cover for the first time in a long time saying 15,000. So that's going to eventually get retail in, and that's where all the dumb money comes in, and that's when you make the fortunes, because you're going to be selling to them, and you will know when to sell because I will be mentioning to everyone when to sell. I will not let you guys down on that. I've been through, this is my third bull, and I'm really looking forward to this. This one's going to be really fun, really exciting, and we're all going to make a lot of money. Anyways, take care, guys.